Hello everyone, today we want to make a good Iranian Chelo or cooked rice. First, for each person, measure 1 cup of rice, which is about 160 g, into a bowl. Check the rice carefully to make sure there are no small stones or other impurities. Rinse the rice 3 times with cold water. Then add water to the rice. It must be 3 times of the amount rice, and for every 2 cups of rice, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Let it soak for 2 hours. Next, fill a large pot halfway with water and place it on the stove until it comes to a boil. Once the water is boiling, drain the soaking water from the rice and pour the rice into the pot. For every 5 cups of rice, add 1 tablespoon of salt. To help the rice stay bright and white, add a little white vinegar. Stir gently and allow the rice to cook. After 5-6 minutes, test a grain of rice by pressing it between your fingers. If it looks as shown in the picture, now it is time to drain it. Drain the rice in a colander. Now place the pot back on the stove and pour in a little oil. While the stove is on, peel potatoes as shown in the picture, place the slices on the bottom of the pot and sprinkle with a little salt. Add the drained rice on top, then use the handle of a spatula to make holes in the rice mound so the steam can circulate and cook it evenly. Cover the pot with a lid wrapped in a clean cloth, which in Persian it is called a damkoni. Turn the heat up for a few minutes until steam builds inside, then lower the heat and let the rice cook for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, for every 4 cups of rice, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a small pan. Pour the melted butter over the rice when it is ready. Finally, dissolve a little saffron in hot water, mix in a small amount of rice, and serve 1 spoonful of saffron rice on top of each portion as garnish. Bon appetit!